Hi guys, I'm Jen from Dongji. For a material manager, you know the pain, lots of expensive tools, stock out of urgent materials, and endless paperwork. But since we produced the smart tool cabinets, everything changed. Let me show you why it's a game changer for material management. First, smart authentication. Employees can unlock it via ID card, fingerprint, or QR code. No more authorized access, and every pickup is automatically recorded. Expect consistent is amazing. Real-time inventory monitoring, low stock alerts, and you can generate picking lists with QR codes. Scan and get all these materials in one go. Saves 50% of our picking time. It also has customizable compartment size to fit different tools and materials. No more stock charts or missing items. It's plug and play. Can be placed right by the production line. Super flexible. For material manager type of charts, Dongji Smart Tool Cabinet solves your problems, cut costs and boost efficiency. Trust me, it's worth every penny.